Yo, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Zenefits Payroll account. So Zenefits is basically a payroll management company, just like ADP Payroll and other payroll company. It does the same thing. It helps you manage the payroll of your employee and it helps you to run your organization or your company better way or in a managed way. All right. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into a Zenefits account if you're an employee of a company which uses Zenefits. All right. So for the step which I'm going to be showing you, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. Let's move on. First step over here on search, you want to write Zenefits Payroll login and it's going to show you all these results. Over here you want to click on Zenefits login and it's going to take you to the login page of Zenefits. All right, and over here you want to enter your email address over here. So I'm going to enter my email address over here. You guys also do that and click on next, and on the next step it's going to ask you for the password of your account. So just enter the password of your account over here and click on sign in, and if the email and password entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Zenefits Payroll account. And if you want to log in into a different account, you can click on log into a different account and it's going to take you to the login page through which you can log in into a different account. And if you forgot your password or your email, then you can click on need help logging in and it's going to help you recover those like forgotten details of your account as well. All right, basically how we guys can log in into a Zenefits account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. And if you want to create yourself a Zenefits account, you can click on get started to create yourself a brand new Zenefits account as well. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.